Planning for a big trip can be super confusing and overwhelming. I know. I caught myself like that way too many times. Here are a few tips you can use to get organized for that big upcoming trip. You may not know some of these. The Google Maps app is more than just for navigation. You can see reviews for hotels and restaurants and even get a street view of the areas you want to visit. Also, you can create lists and save places you want to visit onto those lists. This is a TikTok feature not many people know about. If you search up a major city, you'll see these different tabs. There's food and drink, things to do, hotels, parks, shopping, and all the videos underneath these tabs will give you an idea of where to go and what to visit. You can never go wrong with Pinterest. Start a new board and pin places you might want to visit, travel guides, or even photo inspo. I do this all the time. These are just a few tips that you can use to get started on planning and organizing that next big trip of yours. What is one thing that helps you plan and stay organized? Let us know below.